There are countless statistics that point to our civic crisis, especially regarding our young people. I'm going to share just a few, and I'm going to start with kind of civic knowledge and voting, since we're 1 month away from our midterm election. The 2021 Indiana Civic Health Index found that Indiana ranked among the 10 lowest states in voter turnout. And since we're here to talk about young people, let me share 2 alarming stats. Less than a quarter of young people demonstrated competency in civics, and only 39% of young people in Indiana, ages 18 to 24, voted in the 2020 election. That's a disheartening number. Unfortunately, it's also well below the national average of 50%, which is disappointing in itself. Here's another stat that stands out. 46% of college sophomores say they wouldn't share a dorm room with someone from the opposing political party. 46% of college sophomores say they wouldn't share a dorm room with someone from the opposing political party. And then one last one. First, just with a quick show of hands, how many of you had at least 1 semester of a civics class in grades 1 through 12? How many had at least 2? Not bad. Any have 3 or more? That's great. Regardless of how you answered, you likely received more civics curriculum than today's youth. Civics classes have been cut so much that 85% of students get only 1 semester of civics education in their lifetime of schooling. 85% get only 1 semester of civics education. The remaining 15% get even less. So even with this gaping need, we know that we need to invest more in civics education. So I'll leave you with one data piece here. In 2019, the last federal budget before the pandemic, the US federal government spent $50 per student related to STEM education. Can you guess how much we spent on civics and social studies? Anyone? 0. Not 0. You're actually getting close. We spent only 5 cents. That's right, 1,000 times less on civics and social studies than on STEM.